PermaTrak. At first glance, it's one of many options for designing your next boardwalk or pedestrian bridge. Take a deeper dive and you'll find it's much more. Each structure is meticulously crafted to embody the designer's overall vision while preserving the natural beauty around it. Crafted from concrete, the material can withstand any challenge, taking on heavy use or harsh weather conditions without requiring any maintenance. This is not just any boardwalk, this is PermaTrak.